Hello? Hello! I'm back today with a quick little organizational video. I finally got around to organizing all of my makeup in my makeup dresser. I've been talking about this for like over a year. It finally happened. Feeling really great about it. The makeup that lives in that dresser does not include my everyday makeup. I keep that in my desk that I sit at every morning. So if you'd be interested in seeing a tour of that, I'd be willing to do one. This time around, I kind of went with functionality over aesthetic. It's not like Pinterest worthy what I did with my organization, but it's very functional. It's very organized. I love that I'm able to see everything that I own in one place. It's not scattered all over my office. Although my closet is pretty close and I could have just kept everything in there, it is a little bit harder to get at, whereas now it's right next to me so I can shop my own stash every morning. I did a little bit of decluttering. It's just everything that I had envisioned and I'm very happy about it. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If there is anything that I need to link, I will link it for you in the description box below. As always, thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing and staying subscribed, and let's get into it. I've lost track of how many times I've shown you guys this dresser. This was originally an IKEA Tarva dresser. I'll put an image of what it looked like up on the screen. Basically, we sanded it, stained it, added new drawer pulls that I picked up off of Amazon, and then Chris created these little divider lines all the way down to make it look like there are more drawers than there actually are. And I also added cute little feet that I also purchased off of Amazon. So I zhuzhed it up. Looks like a completely different dresser. I absolutely love it, and it's gonna house all of my makeup. I've already thought a lot about how exactly I want to organize all my makeup, and I know that this top drawer is going to house all of my lip products because it's not as big as the others. These are all of my lip products, not including lip pencils, and over here are all of my palettes. So I have to go through all of these. I am going to be doing a little bit of decluttering. I'm probably not going to add too much commentary. I've already filmed 2 lip product declutters in the past. I don't want it to be too repetitive. Over here are some acrylic lip organizers that I purchased off of Amazon ages ago. I'm going to use these to organize my lipsticks, and then I've got these little bins that I picked up from the dollar store. I have a pretty good idea of how I want to lay these out in my drawer. Let's get into it. I just finished going through everything. So all of this stuff here is what I'm gonna keep, and up here is a basket full of stuff that I'm gonna get rid of because it's either expired, I haven't reached for it, or it's a liquid lipstick. I am now going to replace all of the caps on my MAC lipsticks with these clear caps. I figured replacing the caps will make it easier for me to see the shade of each lipstick. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and then I'm gonna organize everything in its drawer. Hello again. I'm just gonna insert myself in voiceover form real quick because as I'm editing this, I realized I got so in the zone organizing that I basically never spoke again in this video. After I decluttered my lip products, I organized all of my lipsticks in the 3 acrylic lipstick holders in the center of my drawer. I put most of my shorter liquid lipsticks in the back because I hardly ever reach for them anymore. I just didn't have the heart to throw them out just yet. Then I organized a bin for the rest of my liquid lipsticks on the right hand side, a bin for my lip crayons, a bin for my lip pencils, and then the entirety of the left side of my drawer is pretty much just my lip glosses. Onto my eyeshadow palette drawer. I initially wanted to use these wooden holders because they looked nice, but after playing around with them, I realized that they didn't make any sense, so I stuck with my white IKEA bins and I just organized all of my palettes by height in a way that I can see them all at a glance. Next is my face product drawer. This is probably the busiest drawer in my whole dresser, and it's where I organized all of my extra foundations and loose powders, bronzers, primers, concealers, all that fun stuff. So I found these cute stackable bins at the dollar store, and I used them to organize my extra concealers and primers. And next to those, I organized all of my bronzers, my highlighter and blush palettes, single highlighters, single blushes. Everything fit in this drawer perfectly. This is what I call the random eye product drawer. I messed around with this one quite a bit as well until I was happy with it. I once again used my stackable clear containers from the dollar store, and I organized all of my single eyeshadows, pigments, glitters, primers, eye pencils, cream and liquid shadows, and mascaras. I also organized all of my extra eyelashes in this drawer, and because I had a little bit of extra room, I tossed in sponges in there too. My My last drawer is basically just random stuff that didn't fit anywhere else. I'm actually surprised I had so much room left over. So I dedicated a bin to setting sprays and extra skincare products that I'm not using. Next to that is a bin full of backups, and then next to that is a bin full of trial size products because I have a problem and I cannot stop collecting tiny things. I love mini little versions of products. And then I had some extra room, so I organized all of my extra powder puffs, face wipes, and just like random tools. So that completes this quick little organizational video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. As always, I'll try to link anything that you might be interested in the description box below. Thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing and staying subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, love you, bye.